GED Math. Practice Test 2026 Question 1 of 10. Solve for x, 3x plus 7 is equal to 22. Option A, x equals 3. Option B, x equals 5. Option C, x equals 7. Option D, x equals 9. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, x equals 5. Subtract 7 from both sides, 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3x equals 5. Check, 3, 5, plus 7 is equal to 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Correct. Question 2 of 10. Which of the following is the solution to 2x, 5 greater than 9? Option A, x 2. Option B, x 5. Option C, x 7. Option D, x 7. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, x 7. Add 5 to both sides, 2x greater than 14. Divide both sides by 2x 7. Remember, inequality direction only flips when dividing or multiplying by a negative number. Question 3 of 10. What is the slope of the line passing through points 2, 3, and 6, 11? Option A, 1, Option B, 2, Option C, 3, Option D, 4. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 2, slope equals, y2, y1, / x2, x1, equals open parenthesis 11 minus 3 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis 6 minus 2 close parenthesis is equal to 8/4 is equal to 2. The slope represents the rise over run. For every 1 unit moved right, the line rises 2 units. Question 4 of 10. If f, x, is equal to 2 times 2, 3x plus 1, what is f, 3? Option A, 8, Option B, 10. Option C, 12. Option D, 14. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 10. Substitute x equals 3, f, 3, equals 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, plus 1 equals 2, 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 18, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Question 5 of 10. Solve the system, y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals x plus 7. Option A, x equals 1, y equals 3. Option B, x equals 2, y equals 5. Option C, x equals 3, y equals 4. Option D, x equals 4, y equals 3. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, x equals 2, y equals 5. Set equations equal, 2x plus 1 equals x plus 7. Add x to both sides, 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. Subtract 1, 3x equals 6. Divide by 3x equals 2. Then y equals 2, 2, plus 1 is equal to 5. Check, minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 5. Correct. Question 6 of 10. Which of the following is equivalent to 3, 2x, 4, plus 6? Option A, 6x, 6. Option B, 6x, 18. Option C, 6x plus 6. Option D, 6x, 12. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 6x, 6. Distribute 3, 3, 2x, 3, 4, plus 6 is equal to 6x minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 6x minus 6. Question 7 of 10. A line has equation y equals dash 3x plus 5. What is its y-intercept? Option A, minus 3. Option B, 3, Option C, 5, Option D, minus 5. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 5, in slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Here m equals minus 3, slope, and b equals 5, y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, at the point, 0, 5. Question 8 of 10. Solve for x, x/4, plus 3 is equal to 7. Option A, x equals 4. Option B, x equals 10. Option C, x equals 16. Option D, x equals 28. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, x equals 16. Subtract 3 from both sides. X/4 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 4. X equals 16. Check. 16/4 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Correct. Question 9 of 10. What is the value of x in 2x, 6 equals 10? Option A, x equals 2 and x equals 8. Option B, x equals 8 only. Option C, x equals minus 2 and x equals 8. Option D, x equals 2 only. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, x equals minus 2 and x equals 8. Absolute value equations have two cases. 2x, 6 is equal to 10 gives 2x equals 16, x equals 8. And 2x, 6 is equal to minus 10 gives 2x equals minus 4, x equals minus 2. Both x equals 8 and x equals minus 2 are valid solutions. Question 10 of 10. If the function g, x, equals 4x, 2, what value of x makes g, x, equals 14? Option A, x equals 3. Option B, x equals 4. Option C, x equals 5. Option D, x equals 6. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, x equals 4. Set 4x, 2 is equal to 14. Add 2, 4x equals 16. Divide by 4x equals 4. Check. 4, 2 is equal to 16, 2 is equal to 14. Correct. You answered 0 out of 5 correctly. Want more? Practice. Subscribe for daily exam prep.